A really quick unboxing and setup of the Huawei Watch Fit. As always, I don't want to waste your time, so let's get right to it. One of the main reasons I bought the Watch Fit is that it comes with the Trusleep 2.0 sleep analysis technology, which I really want to test for its accuracy. The Watch Fit is supposed to have a 10-day battery life and the charger is capable of fast charging. Following the instructions in the manual, I downloaded the Huawei Health app and created an account. However, so far for me on iOS the device hasn't worked so well. Most of the time my sleep and my activities won't sync, and when they do, they get the wrong date attached. So for testing, I'll be syncing the device to an Android phone. However, when it comes to the sensors and the technology involved in the Huawei Watch Fit, I do think it holds a lot of promise. For heart rate monitoring, the watch has what Huawei calls Truseen 4.0 technology. It will be super interesting to see how it compares, for instance, to the Apple Watch Series 6, which I recently found to be super accurate when it comes to heart rate tracking. The Watch Fit detects your heart rate using PPG. It has an accelerometer, a gyroscope, an ambient light sensor, a capacitive sensor, built-in GPS, Bluetooth 5.0 and a built-in microphone. In my videos I do scientific tests on different devices like the Oura Ring, the Fitbit and the Scanwatch. And in the next few weeks I'll start testing the Watch Fit. So if you like that subject and like this video, consider subscribing to my channel and also consider giving it a thumbs up because it makes it easier for other people to find my videos. For now, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.